Hello everyone, this is a 3 canister coffee vending machine. 3 hot drinks with coffee, tea, milk, tea, and the coin operates with a touch button and automatically cups. We can inside. The inside is 3 canister and the coin and with the hot cups. And this is for the powder canister. Inside is for the powders 1.5 kg. Okay, 3 canisters, 3 hot drinks. And it is coin operated. You can insert the coin and the touch button selection. And with the auto cups. Now it's lately is on the working. Okay, like 8 seconds, coffee finish. Okay, let's how to set the machine. Inside the machine, they have 3 buttons for setting: increase, decrease, and set. For example, now the P00 normally. Then you will press the setting button 1 time. Then will be shown SET, setting. And then press the button again. Will be shown highest temperature. You can set increase button and decrease button to set. And this is the lowest temperature setting. You also can increase and decrease to set. 靠近一点，看得见。And then now is for the price. This is the 3 drinks. You can set for the first drink's price. You can set single number 1 or number 0 is free. Number 1, number 2, you can set yourself. And then second drink's price, third drink price, then finish. Then will be set the hot water for each drink. The first drink hot water, you can see normally is 7.8, 7.0. You can also increase and decrease. Suggest 7.0. And then press the setting button again, and then second drinks hot water, and third one finish the hot water setting. Then for the drinks setting, this is for the cold, but normally we have the 3 hot drinks now. The cold one is another one, is this one. We have 3 for the cold, but this is 3 hot. We also this one don't need set. This is for the beverage, the powder setting. For example, first drinks you can set 5.0, or maybe you can set the second one. Maybe you can decrease. Maybe normally the powder volume set like 5.0. This one is for the search. Each drink how many cups already sold. For example, the first one is already sold 14 cups. Okay, after this finish setting. And you see this one is for save the data. You can press increase button and save the data. So all of the setting is finished And this, so this is the three hot drinks of vending machine. Thank you.